Hi there ladies, it's Manisha here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have for you a magnetic snakeskin design. All the products that I'm using today, we'll be listing them down in the description box below. And also if I've got direct links for products and discount codes, you'll find everything there that you need. That's the beautiful polish I'll be using. So I purchased all my Masura Magnetic Polishes from Hypnotic Polish, and they have an extensive range there. And I'll also be stamping with Beauty Big Bang's black stamping polish, and that polish there is just a no smear top coat. I'm not sure if it's still available. I did purchase mine quite a while ago from Born Pretty Store, but I know that there are plenty of others around on the market. So I'm going to be starting off with, I've done a base coat, and this is the first coat of the magnetic polish going down. It's got some beautiful blue shimmers, glitters and stuff in it. It's absolutely stunning. Very, very different from anything else I've seen. So this is the second coat going on here, and this is when you actually use your magnet. So use it when the polish is still wet, and just hold it close to the nail for a few seconds, and you'll get like the magnetic effect in there. So I'm just sort of just showing you, and then I'm just going to do it again, and there you go, and it's absolutely stunning. I'm sure you'll agree with me. Now I'm going to let that dry, and then once it's dry, do go ahead and do the stamping. Now this Pro Collection plate is one of the standard ones, so the images are a bit on the smaller side, and I found it suited most of my nails, but the 2 or 3 it didn't fit. I ended up doing a continuation of the stamps. I'll show you what I did on this pop stick here, or this practice nail should I say. So that's the first stamping done there, and then I'm just going to do the same stamp again, but just sort of the bottom of the design. Now it doesn't match completely, but for me it wasn't really a problem. If you do have quite long nails, I probably would suggest using the XL range that's available at Moyou London as well. But yeah, I didn't actually mind how it looked in the end. For me it wasn't really an issue, because the fact that the polish is magnetic and has so many other lovely elements to it sort of drew your eye to that, as opposed to little flaws in the stamping. So I've just gone ahead and done a coat of the no smear top coat, and once that's had a chance to dry, do actually go ahead and add a coat of Seche Vite, and this just gives a beautiful glossy coat. Now this polish is absolutely stunning. It is one of my favorites, only because it is so different from all the others that are available, and I think it just suits this type of stamping down to a T. So let me know any comments, questions, whatnot down in the comment section below, ladies. I've got a bit of a macro video coming up for you too. If you haven't done so already, definitely hit the subscribe button and click on the notifications too, so you know when I upload. It's free to do so. I'm also on Instagram, so you can come and follow me there and see all the lovely nail arts that I do. There are designs that I do share there that I don't always make tutorials for, so it definitely pays to check out what I have there too. And I have got a direct link for you down in the description box below. Make it easy for you to find me. And apart from that, thanks for stopping by, ladies. I hope you all have an absolutely wonderful day wherever you are. Bye for now.